Nabazo Kamsang, Losar Sang, the VOA, Arilonching Hanga, Janangabuin, Natanagabuki, Ledum Sochua, Trinkiin, Pojalonito Jatang Apsangani, Ramne Shingulu, and Namlu Sawa Sheshbiti Tundala, Pomiti Losar Son Situation Bata, Teda Nyamde, Yashina Dinaya, Pomitola Losarka, Samdishun Kemamboyore, a Yashi Datun Zotonkan, Google Inayang, Pomitola Losark Lechich Zeopa Shegdu. Arilonching Kango Porka de Tenki, Tananga Peki, Google Nant Shale Nanke, Peki Pemi Sonam Thunden Latanyamde, Porka Glamne, Yashi Dachin Zotonkan, Google E, Popatola Losar Lerki Kari Se Yomigatani, Jolan Shusambayin. Tandangati Skertet, Srin Thunden Lala, Inchi Kashen Kenta, Yana, T Chapong Mitola, Google Dachin Sole Kangi, Popatola Losar Lerki Kari Se Yomigatani,
To all my Tibetan brothers and sisters inside and outside Tibet, I would like to wish all of you happy Losar. To celebrate Losar, Google is launching a special search experience for Tibetan New Year. This new search experience will run from February 27 through March 6. When you search for Tibetan New Year, you will see a beautiful and culturally rich display, including images that highlight the joy of Losar celebration. One of these images is particularly meaningful to me. It features a person in a wheelchair celebrating alongside able-bodied children. Inclusion is something that has always been important to me. When I was a student, I helped raise funds to build a school for Tibetan children with disabilities because I wanted to raise awareness that they too deserve better opportunities and a full life. Seeing this representation in Losar celebration is a wonderful reminder that we are all the same, regardless of our physical ability. I hope initiatives like this, whether through technology, art, or awareness, help bring more attention to the importance of preserving Tibetan language and culture. I'm also honored to have contributed to the Google Translate Tibetan project to help preserve our vibrant culture and language. Language is the foundation of culture. It's how stories, wisdom, and tradition are passed down. Especially for Tibetans, passing down our stories is very important as more and more Tibetans live outside of Tibet now. So on this auspicious Tibetan New Year Day, I wish all of you Happy New Year, Happy Losar, Losar Tashidilek. May the wood snake year bring you good health, good fortune, and I hope you enjoy the new Google search experience for Losar.